following your lead. Following your lead. What's up, guys? It's Lewis and Lewis back for another adventure.
You fucked up.
He did baby.
I'm waiting for you.
He messed it all up, man.
The power of the Jedi. What's up, guys? It's Lewis. Monkey Party Toys back with the last two for Bomebreaker Wave. Bomebreaker. We got Havoc. The hardest one to find out of this whole wave. It's the only one I have. I kinda don't open it, but I have to because we need the stupid tank.
Is that the only one of these that you have?
Yeah,
you can't find them?
I've been looking everywhere.
That's
so here's Havoc. You guys can see it with that little tank in here. That's the only piece that he has. It's like a useless piece. A little gas tank on back of it.
Yeah, because I kind of figured with Havoc you didn't need much for him. People like that character.
Yeah, but they charge for.
Yeah.
Then we got Darwin.
Okay. I'm unfamiliar, really. I know him as a character.
I don't fucking know who he is.
It's like a little bit. I know. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I got it.
Go down.
I'm new.
So you gotta go down,
okay.
Up,
down
so
to up.
you can see all. Down, there you go. So here we go, it's down. It's a basic marvelous pack. It has a window box, which, let's just say, it's a lot better than the new package. You see what you could get if it was swapped out. I hate the new packages so bad.
Actually, you know, like the more I look at these compared to those, it's nice to know what you're about to get, you know? You can come up with all kinds of things.
Yeah, and plus if you're in box selector, you want to hang this on the wall, you can still see the figure, not just a piece of artwork.
Right.
And you can see, hey, this is what I got Havoc. He's right here.
That's awesome.
So, alright. So, we're gonna open these up and we'll get right back to it.
3 hours later.
Okay, alright, bye.
Right?
Go.
Okay, guys. We're back. We got these stuff on sale. Are you putting your thumb up your butt? Like, so okay, anyway. Do you want me to help you with this?
Thank you.
Hey, what are you doing over here? Hey, these phones things up.
I guess it's not the real Slim Shady.
My guy was. I had a post. I don't know what you did to this. He's not standing.
He's not happy.
I'm not doing this.
This guy is having a hard time standing.
Yeah, Darwin is not. He's not good at ninja. He's going to Havoc while he play with us. So Havoc does have a couple of accessories. He does have a holding bag, which is a peg. I think is for the whole. It's like a backpack. Yeah, look at that. I didn't even get that. I just said that I use the force. So there we go. This is a little backpack. This is a little Havoc powers, I guess.
Yeah.
What would you call it?
Havoc was like, he
Is
was
it
able
like
to
the
energize stuff like
software?
Cyclops, right?
Yeah, it's his brother, right?
Yeah.
Alright, here, take his hand off. Take one of his fists off. Put this on the wrist, and then put the hand back on. This is a new way of doing the effects. Is you just take the hand off instead of clipping on the wrist, then one like this may fully put on so it looks like it's actually doing something, not just clipped on. So
Actually, Havoc's cool. I like him.
is he
I'd play
cool?
with him. Yeah, I would
You
play with him.
play with him?
Yeah, I'd play with him.
Yeah, you would play with him, would you?
Havoc.
So the little post, you can talk about Darwin, like in my post here.
Yeah, sure. You don't want his backpack on?
Hello,
Um,
I say make a cool little post.
I don't really know very much about Darwin, honestly, and not the character, but as far as the toy goes, he's not a bad looking toy. He looks just like a pretty average toy, to be honest with you. I don't see anything
He's
like
an
super
average-
special with him.
Average toy.
Yeah.
He's an average guy.
He's just an average guy living an average life, okay? What do you want from me? I don't know much about him, but he did come with like some cool stuff to like put up the build a
figure.
yeah, to build the figure
Build
with. So
it.
he is definitely an important part for it.
I think nobody will probably get elbow in the face. Why?
Sorry.
I think it's nobody will buy him unless you really need that part.
Okay.
Because I definitely, he reminds me of a little bit of Roger from American Dad.
Yeah, kind of a little bit. And then like
Or the alien off of Scary Movie 3.
okay, like very generic when it comes
Yeah.
to being an alien. He really does
He
look
has a
generic.
monster hand.
Yeah, but like that's what I wanted to say
Does
is
he
that when it goes from the
follow?
fist to like the
Yeah.
actual hands, he's like got a real palm to him. So
And she had man
yes,
hands. Murphy twist off. So seriously,
let me get that for you.
yeah. But seriously, so Havoc comes with the two gas barrels, which I'll show you guys. I think these would be cool in pictures and dioramas. I know that it's for the build figure, but if you don't have all the pieces, you want to do pictures, you have some accessories. Like this, we could put around him to make it look like an actual scene.
That looks cool. I like that.
Little
That's a good idea.
little gas barrel. I like that. It's like, boom. So let's have it for you. And we give you guys a little close up on the little pose that I did with his little backpack on. Right there, doesn't fall. His little effects on his hands. So there we go. Havoc standing up with everything. He actually got Darwin up.
I finally got Darwin.
Golf clap.
But Super Jelly at the moment, I would really be prefer to be like doing Havoc right now, playing with
Right,
Havoc. All
play
right?
with
Yeah,
Havoc.
all right. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I just don't see much to him, and if I knew the character more, maybe I'd be more of a fan. To be honest with you.
I think I'm gonna paint his eye green.
And then the barrels so they explode when the tank comes through. Yeah, he's way better. Yeah, that's a lot funner. Yeah, don't shake your head. So Havoc is super cool. Darwin,
He's chilled.
he's alright.
He's posing. Too bad I can't give him like.
I kind of like that alien, like that long string, like tall man look that with the alien.
The tall alien.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah,
can
see, my guy looks like he's gonna just like whoop the crap out of you, dude.
yeah. So I did.
Oh, and let me show the camera. This guy.
There we go. The show bottle that you had just done. So I was.
I'm thorough.
Yes, sir. So anyway, before you win this, I would like to know to everybody, I did make a new Xbox name for Justin. I would like to share it with y'all.
I wouldn't like it if you shared it with you all.
So the name that I made from that you can feel free to add is W1, the number 1, W1, MGER, space CREEPER. So the answer is window creeper. Go ahead, add that all you want. You'll see that thumb all day.
So window creeper, or we could do like change his to like chair huffer or couch sniffer. You know, like we could do either one of those.
Mine's there for him.
For real.
Alright, so, and then we got the half a tank that they can't see from this far up. Cause it cuts off right
Oh, it cuts off there. Right
So
there.
here's the half of the tank right here for Bomebreaker. I give him a good pose and destroy it. We will be putting this together shortly. But, alright, let's get into it. With Darwin, I'm giving this a 5. I bet you $10 you can't get in the balance.
You owe him $10.
And he's shaking it and it still didn't do nothing.
It fell.
It fell. I don't know your $10 then. Or wait, what?
Yeah,
You got it on camera.
Yes. So, with Darwin, I'm giving him 5. I will not buy this guy unless I didn't need this. But because I wanted to build Bomebreaker, I need to buy Darwin. But if you go right now to Target, this whole wave is half off. So I paid $12. I wish I paid 12. I paid 24. You could get it for 12. I wish I did, because I don't want this.
For $12, no, he's not that bad of a character,
Yeah.
and you get that. For 20 something, yeah, what? You would have to be a fan.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Darwin. Havoc, I'm giving that boy 8 because I do like it. I like the new way that you put the effects on. You know, it's awesome. He doesn't need the build-a-figure piece. You could go without if you want because it is hard to find. So that's where we got there, buddy.
Darwin, I would give like around like a 6 or a 7, cause like, well, no, more like a 6 or a 5. Like I'm going 6. So because you do need this piece to do that, so they do kind of like force you to be involved with him, but overall like a very like just mid-range to low-level character, like. But Havoc, on the other hand, I think an 8's a little weak for him. I think that a 9 at least, because he's got a lot of motion to him still. Not as much as Spider-Man or anything like that, but he's also got some really great accessories. And like he said, with the barrels, you can use them over and over again. So I'm going 9.
What about you, buddy?
Darwin, I'm gonna give that guy right over there a 2.5.
Ooh.
I don't like it at all.
Yes, okay.
Havoc, I'm giving him a 9.5.
Ooh, that's high. So there you go. There's our scores. That was so many I can remember. This is the first time I can't, but I'm going to try. Jason said 5. Then Ripping Up said 2.5. For Havoc, as an 8, Jason said 9. And Rob said 9.5. Is that right?
Yes.
Boom!
You got it.
Memory right there. I was about to give up. I did not.
Yeah.
To my streak is unbroken.
All right, cool.
So, there you go. If you had these figures, show me your pictures. I like them. Links below. Instagram, my Facebook, and his direct Xbox name, Window Creeper, at that. So, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, guys, happy hunting.